हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज का हमारा सेकंड पार्ट DI-02 दैट इज अंडर करियर एज अ ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर एग्जाम पैटर्न एंड इंटरव्यू डिटेल्स फॉर स्टेट्स UPSC and SSC. So we'll see one by one. So before we cover the eligibility criteria of drug inspector, now for UPSC, actually there is a exam pattern for UPSC from 2018 2019. Some change is there, like if the post for drug inspector in drugs, then the whole questions of 150, under 150 this is a categorization. Like suppose this post is for drugs, then यहाँ पे फार्मेसी 130 क्वेश्चंस जो कि 260 मार्क्स के, then English for 15 questions, then basic computers like in basic form of computer questions, very basics, that is 15 marks. So total this 150 questions for 300 marks. And suppose the drug inspector for medical devices, same pattern, just the specific subject is changed, that is engineering, that is for 130 questions. Then suppose the post for drug inspector of Ayush, then the syllabus just for specific subject is pharmacy under Ayurveda and Unani. So this is the different syllabus for Ayush. Then English and basic computer is similar for all UPSC patterns. Then interview is required for UPSC, and this is also category under mark distribution. So this mark count for final counting of results. Let's see for SSC. SSC exam pattern, the basic syllabus of pharmacy, but the interview is also equal mark of interview. Like suppose your paper is 100 marks, then your interview is also for 100 marks. So this is for SSC. Then for state wise, so this is the states Maharashtra, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. For Maharashtra, this as per 2015 recruitment, this is the exam pattern pharmacy for 125 marks, or this is 125 questions. Then 25 questions, about 25 questions of general category and logical reasoning. Then interview is applicable for Maharashtra drug inspector recruitment. So total exam of 150 marks for Maharashtra. Then Karnataka has their own paper pattern, like paper 1, paper 2. So in paper 1 there is a GK of 200 marks, and paper 2, then this is the pharmacy syllabus. So this is as per recruitment of 2019 for Karnataka drug inspector. So total exam pattern for 400 marks. And the interview, yes, the interview for Karnataka is there. Then Madhya Pradesh, there is no require of interview. This is direct recruitment, like 200 this is the 200 question mark paper, under which pharmacy 100 mark and GK, Hindi language, computer sciences questions of 100 marks. Then for Tamil Nadu, as per 2019 recruitment, the Tamil Nadu total exam pattern is 570 mark, under 300 marks of this pharmacy, and then rest of 100 mark for general study, quantitative aptitude and mental ability. And for interview, yes, is applicable for Tamil Nadu, and it's about 70 mark. Then for Rajasthan, there is no requirement of interview. This is just 100 mark paper, which is belongs to pharmacy syllabus only. So at this Rajasthan mm, exam pattern as per 2018 recruitment. Then Andhra Pradesh, as per to 2012 recruitment notification, the syllabus and exam pattern is like pharmacy for 300 marks, and then general study and quantitative aptitude and all GK parameter is about 150 marks. So this is also interviews are also applicable for Andhra drug inspector recruitment, and this is total exam of 450 marks for Andhra. Then for Assam, as for 2019 recruitment, the exam and interview is done. And then for Punjab, this is about 80 mark of pharmacy questions, rest of medical fitness, interview. So interview is applicable for Punjab also, but the only pharmacy paper is about 80 marks. And the total mark for drug inspector recruitment is 100 for Punjab. Then Orissa, as per 2011 recruitment, Orissa government have criteria like pharmacy questions for 200 marks, then GK or general ability questions for 50 marks. So it's around total marks 450, and interview also applicable for Orissa. This is 25 marks. For West Bengal. So West Bengal, as for 2018 recruitment, there is no exam. They are just counting like 10th ka mark, then 12th ka percentage, then graduation percentage, and experience letter. So they have categorized different your mark sheet as a recruiting process. So interview is also there for West Bengal, but there is no exam. They are just counting different mark sheet percentage wise. So, so what is the other points like now UPSC could be add pharmacy in medical devices recruitment. Previously medical device के recruitment के लिए B pharmacy और M pharmacy there was not any options. Only engineering medical students are applicable for this post. But now pharmacy profession can also apply for this post. Now, PharmaCurrent raised the question when student or applicant get one syllabus for drug inspector because different states have different syllabus, different pattern. Also, the recruitment of DI should be done yearly basis, at least for UPSC too, because we have huge amount of pharmacist professionals in India. Thank you guys. So today we cover the whole exam pattern. So now in part third, that is DI03, we'll cover syllabus and book for the drug inspector. Thank you.